If your videos die in the first 30 seconds, it's probably not the algorithm, it's your first sentence. Most small creators are losing views before their video even starts, and once I show you this mistake, you won't unsee it. Let me guess your intro. Hey guys, welcome back, or today I'm gonna show you. That right there? That's killing your retention on YouTube. The first 10 seconds decide everything, and most creators waste it explaining instead of triggering curiosity. Open your analytics right now. Look at your audience retention graph. See that drop at the beginning? That's not random. That's viewers deciding, this isn't for me, and they leave before you even get to the good part. That's painful, especially when the rest of your video is actually solid. So instead of guessing every time I write a hook, I built a simple AI YouTube hook optimizer tool in 15 minutes that forces better openings. But this isn't about the tool, it's about fixing the mistake. Here's how it works. First, paste your video title, add your niche, target audience, and now, paste your current hook. Now instead of one random rewrite, you get 5 structured variations. Each one shows retention score, clickbait risk, trust score. This isn't just AI writing, it's AI evaluating. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more AI builds in 15 minutes. I'm building this with Base 44. My affiliate link's in the description if you want to support me. First, I'll prompt the AI to collect the user's inputs, including the video title, niche, target audience, and current hook, and then generate a clean, modern, card-style UI layout to display the optimized hooks and retention score in a clear, structured way. Keep in mind, this app won't save bad content. It fixes your hook, not your idea. If your video doesn't deliver, a stronger hook will actually hurt you. People will click and then leave faster. That's why I added guardrails. No fake stats, no 10x overnight, no manipulative hype. Because growth on YouTube isn't about tricking people into clicking, it's about alignment. Title, hook, content. When those match, retention goes up. This tool sharpens your first sentence. It doesn't replace your value. This is enough to give most small creators real leverage. Most creators think growth is about better cameras, better editing, or better thumbnails. This AI tool doesn't just generate hooks, it gives creators clarity. Instead of guessing, instead of copying viral intros, you get structure. You see your retention score. That means you're not just creating content, you're creating with intention. Looks good so far. Let's do a few quick examples. Here's a weak hook. This strategy will 10x your YouTube income overnight. That's neutral. No tension, no stakes. Now watch this. The tool rewrites it to, ever wondered why some channels earn much more? Immediately, it calls out a pain. It targets a specific viewer. It creates self-doubt. It opens a loop. Now we have clear benefit, clear outcome. Notice something? No hype. No fake promises. That's what most creators miss. Let's do another example with fitness. The video title could be How I Lost 20 Pounds in 3 Months, and the hook is, This one weird trick melts fat instantly. Let's see what we get. In seconds, you not only get thumbnails and titles aligned with the strongest hook, but also 5 hook variations. This gives creators better leverage and clarity in their video creation process. Comment Hook Optimizer below, and I will optimize strongest hook for your next video. Next, I will prompt AI to add clickbait risk meter and trust score. Most AI tools chase clicks. Clickbait risk meter shows when your hook is over-promising. Red means risky. Trust score shows how well your hook matches your actual content. Here's the truth. Clickbait might spike CTR for a moment, but trust is what grows channels long-term on YouTube. So instead of guessing, you can see instantly, is this hook smart or risky? That's the difference between chasing views and building a real audience. One of the things I love about Base 44 is that it suggests features as you're building your AI YouTube hook optimizer. I'm going to choose the A/B testing strategy because I believe this is what most YouTube content creators actually need. Comment below if this is something you use in your video creation. Alright, let's recap. Most hooks fail because they're boring, generic, or misaligned with your title. With the YouTube Hook Optimizer, paste your title, audience, and current hook and instantly get retention score, clickbait risk, trust score, 5 hook options. Fix your first sentence, fix your retention. Fast, simple, done in 15 minutes. Creators, if you want the exact prompt and template I used to build this in AI Build in 15 minutes, it's in the description. But more importantly, drop your current hook in the comments. The weaker it is, the better. I'll rewrite a few of them. Because fixing your first sentence might be the highest leverage move you can make this year. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because my next AI build in 15 minutes is coming soon, and it's even more powerful.